Parcel for Keyl Skills?
Yep, that's me. Thanks, mate.
See you, mate.
Hello, mate. How you doing? Keyl Skills here. I'm bored out of my face. The weather's rubbish outside, but the postman came. The postman came! Yes! And footballboots.co.uk have hit me up with the Floodlight pack. It's sickage. I'm going to stop talking and get this baby open. They got my address right. TEKKERS table. This is where I'm going to do all my reviews that people send me. Let's not waste no time and get this box open. Paper 11. These are wasn't expecting this, guys. The Floodlight pack. Guys, my first impressions of these, they're very squashy, and I like how the upper is very like squashy. I think I could produce some proper good touches. They're quite different to the proper vapors, the adult vapors. When you're on the pitch, I think they look the same. And these studs are very sharp, hexagon studs. I think I can sprint away from them very good defenders. The defenders are going to be fast, but I think I can beat them with my speed in these boots. Thanks for watching this unboxing video, guys. I'll be doing a full boot review on these boots this week. It'll be live on footballboots.co.uk's channel, so head on over there now and click subscribe and keep your eyes peeled for this review video. Love, peace and TEKKERS. Keyl Skills. Hello guys, how you doing? If you like this video, click here to subscribe. Look down there, there's a like button. Click that like button, and if you want to see any more random videos, click there. If you want to see the F2 video, click there. Love, peace and TEKKERS.